Hello once again. For this time, I'm going to teach you on how to use this calculator for linear regression, for linear regression in which we deal with two variables, okay? We deal with two variables. Okay, now let me share the screen for our two variable sample problem, okay? So ito yun class, no? This is our sample problem for our two variable analysis, okay? So kapag sinabi natin linear regression again, we are checking if there is direct proportionality between the two variables, and then we solve for slope, for the y-intercept, and the r-squared value. Okay, so given this data, let's compute using this newer model of calculator. Okay. So now let me start on how to reset this calculator. So let's say for example, gumawa ka ng calculations using different data and gusto mo siyang i-reset. To reset this calculator, so just press shift, press shift, then punta ka doon sa mode and setup, mode and setup. So pagka press shift mo tapos mode and setup, so dito iba ang ating reset. Okay, so to reset this one, so press mo yung shift, okay? Press shift, and then nakikita mo dito sa number 9, andyan yung reset button, okay? Press shift, tapos press mo yung number 9, okay? Press mo yung number 9 for the reset button, okay? For the reset button, okay? Then pagka press mo yung 9, lalabas ito, reset, Anong klaseng reset ang gusto mo? Setup data, to reset the whole setup data, the memory, or initialize all, okay? Well, actually, you can click any of this. You can click any of the three. But for us, let's click number 3 to initialize all, okay? To initialize all. Then, lalabas yan. Okay? Ibig sabihin, you are going to click either equal sign to approve the initialize, or easy to cancel. So, press equal sign, okay? Para ma-initialize all, then press AC key, okay? Press AC key, okay? So that's it. Okay, that's it, na reset na natin buong calculator, okay? Now we can proceed, we can now proceed with our given two variable data, okay? Two variable data. So again, the protein concentration will be our x variable, and then the y variable will be the absorbance, okay? So using this newer model, mas madaling i-enter yung data kasi so first hanapin iset muna natin siya, okay? Let us set this calculator to linear regression mode. Okay, so how to set that? So press mo yung mode or setup, okay? Press mode or setup, then press mo ulit yung number 6, okay? Mode and setup, and then press number 6, okay? Press number 6. As we press number 6, hanapin mo yung y is equal to a plus bx, okay? Y is equal to a plus bx, that is number 2, okay? That is number 2. Y is equal to a plus bx, okay? So press mo yung number 2. As you press number 2, so yun, lalabas yung dalawang table, okay? Lalabas yung dalawang table indicating a variable for x, then a variable for y. Okay, now input all the x data first. So input natin yung 0.5, 1, saka 1.5. Okay, same manner, same manner ng pag-input kaninang data. So type mo lang 0.5, type mo yung 0.5, then press enter, okay? Then 1, press enter, and so forth, and so on, okay? Okay, pagka-input ng last data, for the x variable, then press mo lang yung arrow, okay? Press mo lang yung arrow para i-move, para i-move sa y data. So punta ka sa pinaka-top, Punta ka sa pinaka-top. Okay, para input mo yung first y data. Okay, para input mo yung first y data. So 0.565, okay? 0.5652. Then press equal, okay? Then press 0.9987, then press equal, okay, press, and so forth, and so forth, and so on. Okay. Now, as we enter all the data for linear regression, press mo ngayon yung AC, okay? As we enter all the data, press mo ngayon yung AC. Okay? As you press the AC, no, lalabas yan. Ibig sabihin, you successfully entered. No, you successfully entered all the data needed for linear regression analysis. Okay? Now, punta ka ulit ngayon sa option. No? Punta ka ngayon ulit sa option. Okay? So, press mo yung option. Tapos, there are four options here. Ang isa-select natin yung number 3. Okay? Ang isa-select natin yung number 3. Yung regression calculated data. Okay? Number 3, regression calculated data. Okay, as you press number 3, okay, as you press number 3, lalabas lahat yan, okay? As you press number 3, lalabas lahat yan, okay? So, andyan na yung mga kailangan mo, andyan na yung mga kailangan mong values, okay? So, kailangan mong sagot, okay? So, A, no? A for the y-intercept, okay? A for the y-intercept, which is 0.19691. Then we have the slope, no? Slope of 0.77518. That's the letter B. And of course, no, the regression, no? The regression value. Okay, or the R squared, no? Which is the 0.9987 and so forth. Okay? Okay, so that's how we compute. No? That's how we compute linear regression using this newer model of calculator. So medyo may convenience, no? Medyo may convenience kasi lalabas agad, okay? Lalabas agad. And hindi nakakalitong i-enter yung ating mga data, okay? So that's all. Hopefully you learn now and you kayang-kaya nang gamitin ang calculator na to during your examination, okay? That's all, and then have a good day.